Hey, Charlie, first I just want to thank you for doing this interview for me and for Journey.
Sure.
So, Charlie, when your cell phone rang and you saw it was me on your caller ID, what'd you think?
You know, a giant marquee name comes through on your caller ID and it's like, winning.
Ah, cool. That's good. Hey, so I heard you used to go to church as a kid, or that your mom used to drag you to church. So is that true?
It's all my mom's fault. Shut up. Shut up. Stop. Move forward.
You don't need to tell me to shut up.
Wow. What does that mean?
Now, you've invited a lot of people to Journey. Like, who have you invited?
Well, people like Sean Penn and Mel Gibson and Colin Farrell and just radical people.
So you've been to Journey before. You've had the experience. So really, what'd you think?
It's exciting. It's exciting. I've come back from a place that, you know, people can put labels on it and they can figure all this stuff out. They can try to like normalize it, boring, stupid, you know, and that's fine. But for me, it's I've just answered to a higher calling, and it happened in the blink of an eye, and I'm totally excited by it, you know.
Now, anything you didn't like about Journey?
I mean, what's not to love?
Charlie, I know you tell people about Journey all the time. What do you tell them?
Go.
Go. If I was going to tell someone to come to Journey, or if you were going to give some advice of someone to try Journey out, what would you say? Would you say just try it out?
Do it. The Nike slogan doesn't say just try it. Oh, okay. Just try it. No, just do it.
Hey, Charlie, we've heard a lot of feedback regarding our new move to really kind of an interesting location. As a church, we'll be meeting underneath a bar. What are your thoughts on that?
That has nothing to do with me, really. I mean, they're entitled to, I suppose, interpret stuff.
Now, why do you tell so many people about Journey?
I expose people to magic. I expose them to something they're never otherwise going to see in their boring, normal lives. And I gave that to them. I may forget about them tomorrow, but they'll live with that memory for the rest of their lives. And that's a gift, man.